we are going to discuss some important questions of exercise 2.1. In previous video, we have discussed the theory and some questions regarding the exercise 2.1. So today's video is going to be very interesting. So what is the today we are going to solve some important questions. Those are always comes in exams in CBSE also, because this topic is also in CBSE class in 12th class. So it is also comes in board classes. So this topic is very important. Okay, so today we are going to learn number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. If a relation phi, if a relation phi from set C of complex number in set R such that real number is defined as 1 plus iota, it is x phi by x by y equal mod x equal y. 1 plus y phi equal 3. Phi, yeah, this is the first part of this question. What is the second part? Second part is 3, and here it is a minus 3. What about here? Is the third one is we can say that 2 plus 3 iota phi 13, and fourth one is 1 plus iota phi 1. So just there are some questions to solve. We have to solve. And how can we solve? Let's see. If a relation phi is a form relation phi. What is the phi? Phi is a relation between two objects. So relation is a phi. Okay, it is clear. In set C is a complex number. What is the complex number? When we are saying about complex number, it is z equal x plus iota y. So modulus of z is equal to under root x square plus y square. It is, what is the x? Is the real of z, and y is the real of z. We will learn more about it in next chapter, but it is a question given in chapter number 2. So we have to solve this. Firstly, you have to remember when we are saying about the z, it is a complex number z, x plus iota y, and x is the real of z, and y is the imaginary of z. Y is the imaginary of z, and x is the real of z. So modulus of z equal under root x square plus y square, means we have to use square of this and square of this. So it is the modulus of z. Now we have to solve this question. We are going to take first question. When we are saying say that 1 plus iota phi 3 is given, and what about the x? X is the modulus of phi equal modulus of x. So we can say that it is root 1 plus iota's multiplication is coefficient of 1 is a 1 and coefficient of iota is a 1. So we can say that it is a 1 plus 1. So phi 3 means root 2. Phi 3 means root 2 is not equal to 3. Root 2 is not equal to 3. So we can say that it is not defined. So it is not defined. Okay. Now second one. Second one is 3, and it is 3. The next one is minus 3. So when we are saying about 3, so when we are going to find modulus of 3, we are going to find modulus of 3 phi minus 3. So we can say modulus of 3 is 5 minus 3. So 3 is not equal to minus 3, so it is not defined. It is also not defined. Now, what about the third one? When we are saying about the third question, so we can say that 2 plus 3 iota 5 13. When we are going to find magnitude of this, means modulus of j means root 2 plus 3 iota means 2 square and 3 square 5 13. So when we are going to find it is a 4 and 9, it is a root 13, 5 13. So we can say that root 13 is not equal to 13. So it is not defined. Wow, question. What a question. Every question is not defined. Now, what is the fourth one? Fourth one is here. Look at here. 1 plus iota 5 1. So it is a 1 plus iota means 1 by square plus iota 1 by square means this is a 5 1. So we can say that it is root 2 and it is 1. So we can say root 2 is not equal to 1. So it is not defined. So since what a question, every part of this is not defined. Okay. Question number 6. If a relation R, if a relation R from set A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is given that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To set B, to set B equal 1, 4, 5. It is given 1, 4, 5 is defined such that is defined such that x is less than y, x is less than y, then write R in the form of set of order, R in the set of order pair, set of order pair, also find and also find R inverse. Okay, friends, this is the question. If a relation R from a set A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given to set B is a 1, 4, 5 is a defined such that x is less than y, and write R in the set of order pair and also find R inverse. Means we have to find two things, one is R, other is the R inverse. So how can we solve? How can we find R and how can we find R inverse? Firstly, we have to know what is the meaning of this. When we are saying about the x less than y, it means x is less than y, means like 2 is less than 3, like 4 is less than 7, like 9 is less than 10. So we can say that it is a like this. Okay, students, these are something. Now we are going to solve this question. When we are saying that x is less than y, it means in every condition x is less than y. Okay, now what is the x? When we are saying about x, it is from A, and what about the y? We can say that it is from B. So, what about here? Firstly, I am going to write the A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the value B is 1, 4, 5. Let's see. When you are saying that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is 1, 4, 5, so we can find R. So how can we find R? Look at here. 1, 1. Take 1, 1. Is 1 is less than 1? No. It means we don't have to take 1, 1. Okay. Now 1 is less than 4. Yeah, of course. 1 is less than 4. 1 is less than 4. 1 is less than 5. Yeah, correct. 1 is less than 5. Now take 2. Firstly, we take 1 and compare with 1, 4, 5. Now we are taking 2 and compare with 1, 4, 5. So we can say that 2 is less than 1. Not possible. 2 is less than 4. It is possible. 2 is less than 5. It is possible. Okay. Is a 3 less than 1, not possible. 3 is less than 4, it is possible. 3 is less than 5, it is possible. Okay, now take 4. 4 is less than 1, not possible. 4 is less than 4, not possible. 4 is less than 5, it is possible. Now take 4. 5 is 1, not possible. 5 4, not possible. 5 5, not possible. So we can say that it is R. So your R is here. R is 1 4 1 5, 2 4 2 5, 3 4 3 5, and 4 5. If we are knowing that this is the R and it is the order pair, then we can say that what about the R inverse? We can say that when we are saying the R inverse, just do the opposite of elements. Just replace elements to each other. So we can say that it is a 4, 1, it is a 5, 1, it is a 4, 2, it is a 5, 2, it is a 4, 3, it is a 5, 3, and it is 5, 4. So we can say that this is your answer. This is the R inverse and this is the R. So we have completed this. Express the following relations in the form of the state order pair. Express the following relations in the form of set. In the form of set. In the set of order pairs. Set of order pairs. Okay. So some questions are given. That is the first question. Is first part. This question is number 1. We are going to take first R1 is relation from set A equal 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is given to set B. To set B is 1 2 3 such that x equal 2y. Okay students, this is a relation x equal to y. So it is very interesting question. So R1 is a relation from set A. Set A is given 1 2 6. And what about set B? Set B is at 1 2 3. Such that x equal to y. Let's think about it. X equal to y. It means x is double than y. X equal to y. It means x is double of y. Means always x is double than the element of y. Okay. So it means x is double than y. So we can say that when we are going to solve, so we can say that what is the A. First write A is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 and B equal it is 1 2 3. Okay students, now it is A and it is a B. Now a relation is there that x is equal to y, means x is double than y. Is I am going to write A. Is 1 is double than 1? No. 1 is double than 2? No. 1 is double than 3? No. Okay, it is clear. 2 is double than 1? Yeah, of course. We can write 2, 1. 2 is double than 3? No. Okay. 3 is double than 1? No. 3 is double than 2? No. 3 is double than 3? No. Okay. 4 is double than 1? No. 4 is double than 2? Yeah. 4 is double than 3? No. 5 double than 1? No. 5 double than 2? No. 5 double than 3? No. 6 is double than 1? No. 6 is double than 2? No. 6 is double than 3. So students, we can say that it is R. So what about the R? R is 2, 1, 4, 2, 2, 1, 4, 2 and 6, 3 is R. So this section is completed. It is in order pair. R2 is the relation set A equal 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. To set B 5, 6, 7, 8. To set B 5, 6, 7, 8. It is given 5, 6, 7, 8 such that y equal x minus 2. Y equal x minus 2. What about the meaning of this? When we are saying about the y is equal to x minus 2, it means y is less than 2. Means y is less than 2. So what about here? Just write here solution, and it is A is 8, 9, 10, 11, B equal 5, 6, 7, 8. Just write R. So we can say that 8 is what about the 8 in fact? What about the y? Y is x minus 2. X minus 2 means y is less than 2. Means less than 2. Okay. So 8, 5 is 5 less than 8? No. 8, 6 we can write 8, 6 because 6 is less than 6 is less than 2. Okay, less than 2 of 8. Okay. 8, 7 not possible. 8, 8 not possible. Okay. 9, 5 not possible. 9, 6 not possible. 10, 6 not possible. 10, 6 not possible. 11, 6 not possible. 10, 5 not possible. 10, 6 not possible. 10, 7 not possible. 10, 8 is possible. Because it is difference between them is 2. Okay. 11, 5 not possible. 11, 6 not possible. 11, 7 not possible. 11, 8 not possible. So students, what is the R? When we are saying about R, we can say that there are two things only. When we are saying about R, we can say that 8, 6, and one more thing is there. 8, 6 and 8, 3. Okay. 9, 5, 9, 6, 9 is also there. 9, 7. Okay, it is also, and 9, 7 and okay, 9, 7 is there. 8, 6, 10, 8, 9, 7 is there. Okay. 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, 8, 9, 5. Difference between two. Difference between only two. 9, 5 not possible. 9, 6 not possible. 9, 7 is possible. 9, 8 is not possible. 10, 5 not possible. 10, 6 not possible. 10, 7 not possible. 10, 8 not possible. 10, 8 is possible. Okay, it is written 11, 5, 11, 6, 11, 7, 11, 8. So students, this is R. Okay, it is your answer. Okay, so this is your question and this is your answer. Let's see in next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care.